Final session for presentations. I hope yes.
हेलो सर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम बेटा।
सर मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन था ग्रुप के साथ, तो लड़के उन्होंने दे दिया, सर मैं रह गया।
Okay बेटा उमेर. Go ahead.
हेलो,
Yes बेटा yes. Go ahead with your presentation. I'm listening.
now I'm sir presenting my presentation. My presentation topic is dimensions of Europe. The first earlier Tudor family was ruled on England, and the Tudor period was very.
Yes.
And there was a concept of colonies. They made colonies like our South Asia and Africa, and they made proper housing system, and they and there was education for all commonwealths. And after that, the Elizabeth period, known as the golden age of English literature, and also Shakespeare was and this age. Shakespeare was a very Shakespeare was the biggest poet and dramatist of the English literature. Okay, sir. And Shakespeare made many dramas. He performing. He make an idea for performing dramas. Okay, sir. I'm done.
You're done.
Yes, sir.
Okay beta Umair. See beta, if anyone is remaining, please raise your hand that I can take your presentation, because as far as my knowledge is concerned, I think Umair was the last presenter today. So if anyone is remaining and wants to give his, yes, Kushal is there. I think Kushal, you are the last one. Yes.
Hello, sir. Welcome.
Walaikum assalam, Kushal.
Sir, I have sent my
Guru Hamza.
PPT.
Umair, you have not muted yourself. Yes, Kushal, beta, let me see your PPT. Yes, I found it. Now let me share it for you. Okay, I'm going to share it for you. So, can you see it, beta, Kushal Chand? Can you see
Yes,
your
sir.
PPT? Okay, go ahead now.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Allah will grateful for us. I am thankful to my respected teachers of Khalid and dear colleagues. Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is pre-Anglo-Saxon period. When we go to pre-Anglo-Saxon topic, first we have to arrive some question in our mind. But do you hear me?
Yes, beta, go ahead.
Hello. सर ये मूव नहीं हो रही पीपीटी यहाँ से
स्लाइड चेंज करूं बेटा, यही कह रहे हैं आप?
yes
Give me
slide
this one.
yes sir.
Yes, go ahead.
When we come to an basic department, then we have to arise some questions in our mind that who were inhabitants of Britain, what was the culture of the Britain, Where from English language it developed? Any other language spoken before English language? Any written language? English literature in early age of the English?
Mhm.
These questions are in our mind.
Mhm.
So today I deliver my presentation in a which you can find these queries answers. Answers are all these queries. So
Yes.
certain
Okay.
right.
Let me change slide for you.
Slide number five. Five. Hello.
Hello.
Slide number five.
5-1.
It's a slide number five.
Go ahead.
Introduction and pre-Anglo-Saxon period. Pre-Anglo-Saxon period सर इसमें तो मिसअंडरस्टैंड हो ही रहा है सही बता रहा हूँ इसकी जो नंबरिंग थोड़ी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हुई है pre-Anglo-Saxon period which started from 1 or 2 BC up to 407 BC. There was two tribes in the Britain. First, there was Celtic and other Roman which came after the Celtic. So, first inhabitants are native of the Britain was Celtics. Certain six number,
Okay.
six number six. Six.
6 तो लगी हुई है भाई, आप कैरी ऑन करें
Yes.
प्रेजेंटेशन को.
Celtic first inhabitants in the native of the Britain was the Celtic, and old name of the Britain was Celtic. Celtic is a name of a tribe. Now we find two questions. What was the old name of Britain? Was the Celtic, and the native of the Britain was the Celtic. Seven. Celtic is name of religion. And Celtic is the name of religion, and it is name of language. It means first language spoken Celtic before English in the English history. Characteristics of Celtic. People who were living in Britain, they were Celtics, and their religion was paganism. And they were pagan. Pagan is the word derived from the Latin word paganism or animism, which means spirit. Spirit means integrity, wholeness, peace. These are, and their God was Odin, and their heaven was Valhalla. Now second tribe is Roman. Introduction, and this period started from 55 BC to 410 AD. Roman was a tribe who tried to attack on Celtics many times since 403 BC till 55 BC, but they had not success in their conspiracy. But in 55 BC there was Julius Caesar became the king of Rome, and he attacked on the Celtics, and he success in his conspiracy. So now period started the Roman since 55 BC. Situation of Celtics. Situation of Celtics defeated by the Romans and limited to Ireland, Scotland, and Wales, which are parts of Britain. Now characteristics of Roman. Basically, they belong to Rome, Rome is situated in the Italy. Their religion was Christianity. They have many gods. I said that they have 12 gods. For example, god of Neptune, god of Venus, and god of storms, god of oceans. They have many gods. And characteristic English literature in English literature, they had their own alphabet, Roman alphabet, and they had written literature. But Celtics were have not the any alphabet or written literature. And constructions in constructions, they constructed road, buildings, water supply source, and also monastery, where pray to God and also learn religious teachings. I mean that monastery is a place where they can get knowledge about their religious release. Now, pre-Anglo-Saxon period ended with the in 407 Visigoths attack on Roma, and they left to Britain. Now period is started to Anglo-Saxon period, which is not my topic. So my presentation is there and thank you. And if any queries, like, you can ask.
Okay, beta. Okay. Well done.
Thank you.
Now, see, beta, let me give comments to every presentator. So, let me find the all pages that I can give you comments. Yes, Ehsan was the first presenter. Just give me a second. Yes, Ehsan, you have to raise your hand if you are there. See, I had announced that if the presenter would not be there, then I will give him 1 minus mark during the comments. अगर कमेंट्स के दौरान कोई प्रेजेंट नहीं होगा तो मैं उसको 1 माइनस कर दूंगा मार्क में, ठीक है. So Ehsan is not there, so let me give him comment that he was absent. कि इसकी 1 मार्क भी माइनस करनी है, -1 mark. Let me write it in front of his name. टाइम पे नहीं दिया. उसके बाद एहसान के बाद था सरमद. सरमद, आर यू देयर बेटा? सरमद, if you are there, you have to raise your hand. बेटा जिसको बोलूंगा वो अपना हैंड रेज करेगा. सरमद, if you are there, खुशहाल lower your hand. जब आपका टाइम आएगा तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. Okay, सरमद is there. Sarman, you are there, so let me give comments to you. You are from 3rd semester. Actually, Sarman, your introduction, the way you started your presentation, that was not good at all. I mean, it was a poor introduction. I don't know why you were very much confused, and I felt that you have a lot of anxiety, or you're victim of anxiety. I don't know why, but you had such kind of feelings. More importantly, there was no PPT, so you guys have to send me PPT by tomorrow. Okay, beta, kal tak aapke paas time hai, and you have to send your PPT as well. But you see, Sarman, you are the student of 3rd semester, beta. Agar this presentation was being taken through online mode, if you are through online mode, you are unable to deliver properly. Okay, beta. You see कि अगर आप जो है ऑनलाइन मोड के थ्रू डिलीवर ठीक से नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो दैट मीन्स के इट वुड बी हार्ड फॉर यू टू म्यूट. अनम्यूट क्यों गया खुद को? You see, it would be very hard for you to give your presentation through physical classes. अगर आपके physical classes के through presentation होती, तो how would you perform? How could you have performed over there? So you see, there's a big difference between the presentation, between the online presentation and the physical class presentation. So in in through the online mode, अगर ये हाल है तो आप सोचेंगे डायरेक्ट उसमें कैसे क्या हाल होगा. Okay, so move forward. Overall, you did a good job. I will not deduct your marks for the negative points. उस नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स बताने का बेटा मकसद ये है कि ताकि यू शुड नो योर वीकनेसेस, and then in future you are the students of third semester, still there is a long way to go, and there are so many subjects over there. Total there are 48 subjects, and which you have to study for in 4 years. So see, there are still so many subjects, and for all of them you need to give your presentations. कि अगर आपको अपने weaknesses पता होंगे, then obviously you will work hard and you will try to improve yourself, and then you will perform better than before. Like today you have given your presentation through online mode. Now at least you got the idea that how to give healthy presentation. Okay, now I hope in future whenever you will get chance, then you will perform bit are much better than today. Wish you very best of luck, Sarmad beta. Now after Sarmad there was Gul Hassan. So Gul Hassan, are you there beta? Raise your hand. Yes, Gul Hassan is also there. So beta Gul Hassan, you are from 12th batch, section A, and the mistakes which you made, those were some grammatical mistakes that like today you said that today explain the topic. You see, you were using such kind of words, but and apart from that you also made some mistakes in terms of pronunciation as well. Like you were pronouncing the word section, it's not section, it's section, Anglo-Saxon. See, you need to work a little bit on your pronunciation. Apart from that, you see, I felt you had a lot of confidence. आपका confidence बहुत ही जबरदस्त था, बहुत अच्छा था confidence. You are the student of first semester, so it was your first presentation with me, and I hope कि जब आप आगे जाएंगे तो you will improve yourself a lot. Apart from that, your presentation was very calm. बिल्कुल एक जो ठंडे दिमाग के साथ जो presentation दी जाती है. बेटा वेट करेंगे, मेरे इनबॉक्स को कोई स्पॉइल कर रहा है. आई डोंट नो क्या कहूँ, इतने मैसेजेस इनबॉक्स में आ रहे हैं. आई गेट इरिटेटेड. तो सी बेटा गुल हसन, सो यू नीड वर्क लिटिल बिट हार्ड कि आप जल्दी से अपनी इम्प्रूवमेंट अपने आप में करें. एंड योर प्रेजेंटेशन वाज वेरी गुड. आई लाइक्ड इट अ लॉट. योर कॉन्फिडेंस वाज एक्सीलेंट, and there was no anxiety, no pressure at all, and more importantly, the content which you used in your presentation, that was up to the mark. That was excellent content. By the way, I liked your content a lot. So wish you very best of luck. You did a good job. You did justice with your topic as well. So well done, beta. Good job. And apart from that, the next presenter was Ghazi Khan. Ghazi Khan, are you there? Yes, send me message in my inbox as well that इनकी लाइट 12 बजे चली जाती है. So if he's not there, yes, he's not there. Let's move further. Tahira beta, are you there? If you are there, then you have to raise your hand. Tahira Sahar, I guess, from third semester. Beta, if you are there, you have to raise your hand. Okay beta. Tahira, introduction was good. Your overall presentation was good. The way you gave your presentation, that was also good. All you need to do is to work a little bit hard to create, to bring more coherence in your presentation. You see, I felt in between your presentation, the connection was being missing. The connection with audience, like you see, अगर आपने तहमीना की presentation सुनी होगी, she was again trying to make a connection with me, with a teacher, because उस time पे मेरी mic on थी, तो she was trying to make a connection with me कि सर मैं इस तरह से एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, सर मेरी आवाज आ रही है. यू सी, दिस इज काइंड ऑफ टेक्निक विच इज यूज्ड. तो कनेक्शन वेदर इट इज मेड विद द स्टूडेंट्स, तो आप स्टूडेंट के साथ भी कनेक्शन को बना सकते हैं कि डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप डायरेक्ट उनको कोट करें कि द पॉइंट विच आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इज, मैं इस पॉइंट को इस तरह से आपको बताना चाह रही हूँ. आप इस तरह से भी बोल सकते हैं, आई होप कि आई एम मेकिंग सेंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको ये समझ में आ रहा होगा, ये जो मैं बता रही हूँ आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. यू सी, such are the techniques which are used to make connection whether with your audience or with your teacher. So this connection is very important, and more importantly there is another connection. दूसरा भी connection होता है कि आप जो information बता रही हैं, suppose your first slide must have connection with your second slide. So the point which you have mentioned before that must be connected with your point which you have mentioned, which you have discussed later. आपने पहली पॉइंट डिस्कस की, फिर दूसरी पॉइंट डिस्कस की। अब जो दूसरी पॉइंट डिस्कस की, तो इन दोनों में भी बेटा कोई कनेक्शन होना बहुत जरूरी है। योर प्रेजेंटेशन नो डाउट वाज एक्सीलेंट, आपकी बहुत अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन थी, बट द रीजन आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट अगर आप इस चीज को थोड़ा सा इंप्रूव कर देंगी तो यू सी यू विल इंप्रूव योर सेल्फ अ लॉट। वेल डन बेटा, यू डिड अ गुड जॉब टुडे। देन उरूज महमूद कैम। Yes, Suruj Mahmood, Bera, you are there. Aksa, हो गई सब? Yes, Aksa, बेटा, presentations are done. I think आपने नहीं दी है. If you have not given your presentation, then you have to wait now. मैं इनको comments देकर फिर आपसे लेता हूँ. Yes, बेटा. Thank you, sir. I will improve. Okay, बेटा. Okay, बेटा. Uruj, बेटा, your presentation was excellent. And I just liked your presentation a lot. The introduction was really absolutely brilliant. Your content was excellent. Your confidence was very much appreciable. And the way you gave your presentation, that was outstanding. वो एक अंदाज से बयान होता है बेटा, जिस तरह से हम presentation देते हैं. That way of giving presentation was really outstanding. And I hope if you will work on yourself, on your presentation skills little bit more harder, then obviously you will bring a lot of changes in it, and you will bring a lot of improvement in your skills and yourself as well. So you did an excellent job today. Very impressed from your presentation. Well done, good job, and you did justice with your presentation and with your topic as well. Now let's move further to a next presenter, that was Mariam Yasin. Sibra Mariam Yasin, are you there? Raise your hand. Yes, beta, Mariam Yasin, are you there? Yes, Mariam Yasin is there. Mariam Yasin, you're from 12th batch section A. You had no PPT, and I felt your introduction was a little bit weak, and you also gave a brief explanation and uh, sorry, not brief explanation, but brief explanation of characteristics. You see, you were explaining the characteristics of Anglo-Saxon, I guess, like the struggle for glory, such kind of characteristics. See, beta. So what happened? You just explain those characteristics in 1 or 2 lines. आप इसको ऐसा करें, देखें, इट इज नॉट योर मिस्टेक, ये आपकी गलती नहीं है, आपने उनका जनरल आइडिया दे दिया है, बट फॉर शेक ऑफ योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट हाउ टू ब्रिंग मोर अट्रैक्टिवनेस इन योर प्रेजेंटेशन, आप अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन में मोर अट्रैक्टिवनेस कैसे ला सकते हैं. यू सी व्हेन यू आर एक्सप्लेनिंग एनी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, बेटा, एक्सप्लेन इट इन डिटेल्स, गिव इट्स गुड डिटेल, उसकी आप अच्छी डिटेल दें. मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली give its example as well. आपने जब स्ट्रगल फॉर ग्लोरी की आप जब बात कर रही हैं, सी बेटा, या पर्सनल फ्रीडम की, व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पर्सनल फ्रीडम, देन यू मस्ट कोट एग्जांपल. आप कम से कम एक अच्छी सी एग्जांपल दे दें और उस एग्जांपल के थ्रू आप उनको समझाएं. अच्छा, आपकी एग्जांपल एक वर्ड्स या एक लाइन की नहीं होनी चाहिए. योर एग्जांपल मस्ट बी like you, when you are explaining your example, then it must take at least 1 minute or 30-45 seconds to explain your example. So in that way you can make your presentation more attractive. Okay, beta. So well done, you did a good job. Overall presentation was good, your content was also good. And but the problem which I found, that if you will work little bit on the more details and will quote examples as well, then it will bring a lot of improvement in your presentation, and it will also bring leave the good impression. It will leave good impression on the listeners and on the checker as well. Okay, beta. Well done. After the Mariam Yasin, there was Aisha Mudassir from section A. But Aisha, you're there? Raise your hand. Aisha Mudassir, yes, she's there. So, Aisha, beta, same thing for you, that your introduction was quite weak. You need to work little bit on your introduction, because if your introduction is not up to the mark, then rest of the presentation will not leave a good impression on the लिसनर्स। यू सी, अगर आपकी स्टार्टिंग ही थोड़ी वीक है तो बाद में आप अच्छा कर भी देते हैं, लेकिन वो वीक पॉइंट आपकी हाईलाइट हो जाती है। सो यू स्टार्टिंग मस्ट बी अप टू द मार्क। आप स्टार्टिंग, मैंने फिजिकल क्लासेस में भी आपको बताया था कि हाउ टू स्टार्ट, एंड देन में भी अभी आपने देखा काफी स्टूडेंट्स ने किस तरह से स्टार्ट किया है। तो एटलीस्ट नाउ यू हैव गॉट अ आइडिया दैट हाउ टू गिव अ प्रॉपर स्टार्टिंग। ओके बेटा, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू हैड नो पीपीटी, योर कंटेंट वाज गुड। एंड दूसरी आप जो एक मिस्टेक कर रही थी, यू वर टेकिंग लॉन्ग पॉजेस। बीच में जो आप पॉज ले रही थी दैट वाज लॉन्ग, लाइक यू वर टेकिंग पॉजेस फॉर 4 seconds, 5 seconds। You see, during the presentation, if someone taking pause for 1 or 2 seconds, that also seems long, but you were taking pauses like sometimes 3 seconds, sometimes 4 seconds। So you see, you need to be very much careful। जब आप pause ले रही हैं तो आप pause 1 second का pause लें, and then you start instantly। आप उसको जल्दी से स्टार्ट कर लिया करें, ज्यादा पॉज नहीं लिया करें। इट गिव्स नेगेटिव इंप्रेशन ऑफ योर प्रेजेंटेशन। ओके बेटा, so you need to work little bit on your pauses as well। Pause। Who's there? मैंने पीपीटी सेंड की है आपको। ओके बेटा, पीपीटी आपकी आ गई है तो गुड, दैट्स गुड थिंग। नाउ आफ्टर Aisha, there was Muhammad Ayub। Muhammad Ayub, are you there beta? I think he's not there। Muhammad Ayub, if you are there, then you have to raise your hand। After Muhammad Ayub, there was Arba from section A, I guess। Arba Khan। Yes beta, Arba Khan, are you there? Arba Khan, I think she's not there। She's present, by the way, she's present, but she's not here। Okay, she's here। So Arba Khan, your introduction was good, your content was good, and your presentation also good। The way you gave your presentation, that was also good। Overall, I felt your presentation is good, and but if you will work little bit hard, then obviously you will. It is your first semester, better. So obviously, still you need a lot of hard work, and still there's a lot of room for improvement as well। But overall, your presentation was very good। I liked it a lot, and at the end of the presentation there was a network issue with you, so that's why you were disconnected, but that's not your fault, it was a fault of network। So overall your presentation was very good, well done, you did good job beta। And after that, Kalimullah, yes Kalimullah, you there beta? Yes, Kalimullah is there। Kalimullah, I don't know why you just give very brief presentation। Your introduction was weak, but your content which you were using, that was good, beta। And Kalimullah, you are the student of third semester, so you see, you need to better improve yourself। अभी आप पहले सेमेस्टर के स्टूडेंट्स नहीं हैं, तो आपको इम्प्रूव करना है खुद को। एंड हाउ टू इम्प्रूव? विथ हार्ड वर्क। अब जब तक हार्ड वर्क नहीं करेंगे तो आप इम्प्रूव नहीं कर पाएंगे बेटा। सो सी, आई फेल्ट के मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर परफॉर्म्ड वे बेटर देन सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ थर्ड सेमेस्टर। आप उनसे 2 सेमेस्टर सीनियर हैं, बट दोज स्टूडेंट्स परफॉर्म्ड बेटर देन द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ थर्ड सेमेस्टर। कुछ ऐसे भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं। तो यू सी, दैट मीन्स यू नीड टू वर्क वेरी हार्ड। एंड इसीलिए आपको थोड़ी मेहनत की ज़रूरत है। आप मेहनत करें और अपनी अपने स्किल्स में थोड़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट करें। देन अलीशेर योर प्रेजेंटेशन वाज गुड। दैट वाज अ गुड प्रेजेंटेशन, बट द पॉइंट विच आई फाउंड के आपका जो इंट्रोडक्शन था, वो द इंट्रोडक्शन वाज क्वाइट वीक। बट जो ओवरऑल प्रेजेंटेशन का जो मतलब आपका जो इम्प्रेशन था, दैट वाज एक्सीलेंट। दैट मीन्स कि इतना काम, इतना कूल माइंडेड, और इतना रिलैक्स होके, फ्री ऑफ एंजाइटी, फ्री ऑफ एनी प्रेशर, जो प्रेजेंटेशन यू आर गिविंग, योर प्रेजेंटेशन लाइक दैट, free of that, you are free of anxiety, you have not a little bit pressure on yourself। You see, you're very much relaxed, and that brought a great good impression on your presentation। And you were pronouncing the words very accurately। More importantly, the pace was also excellent। Neither you were too fast nor you were too slow। Your content was also good, so overall you did a good job at Alisha, well done। So after this, there was Nikash. Nikash, you are there, beta. Nikash, your presentation was good. Your introduction was good. Overall, you did a good job. Hamza was there. So Hamza has left the session. He has informed me he has had a issue. Then Urusa. Urusa, beta, raise your hand. Urusa, yes, Urusa is there. Urusa, your introduction was good. Uh, but your pace was too fast. Your presentation was excellent. The way you gave your presentation, more importantly, your content was also excellent. But your pace was too fast. आप इतनी speed से बोल रही थी, इतनी speed से presentation दे रही थी, like Dadia. So you need to work little bit on your speed, बेटा. आप speed को थोड़ा सा slow करें, then your presentation would be excellent. ये भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी presentation थी. Then Nadia, Nadia, आपका जो introduction था, that was okay. Content was excellent. Overall presentation was excellent. You managed each and everything in an excellent way. The information you shared, that was excellent. But only issue I found with your speed. बेटा आप इतनी speed में बता रही थी. So अगर आप थोड़ा सा speed को slow करेंगी, your pace is, if your pace would be slow, that would be outstanding. आपकी बहुत बेहतरीन skills हो जाएंगे. Let me wind it early. हमारी एक presenter भी wait कर रही है. Tahmina, introduction was good and content was your good. Some in between your presentation you were facing some network issues, so there was a distortion in your voice. But overall, your the pace you were using, आपका जो pace था, जो speed था, that was excellent. Neither it was too fast nor it was too slow. Overall, you did great justice with your presentation and with your topic as well. That was excellent presentation. Well done, Mira. And Umair, your introduction was weak and language issues were there as well. And then Khushal Chand, are you there, beta Khushal? I think he's not there. Okay, so let's move forward. There is the last presenter, beta Aksa, unmute yourself. We have only 7 minutes remaining. Yes, beta Aksa.
Sunny, can you hear me?
Yes, beta.
Okay. Okay. Sir, none of my partners present today. They all gave their presentation in last session. Only I was left.
Okay, beta, go ahead.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, beta, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. So, Assalamu alaikum to all my classmates and the respected sir. I'm the student of batch 12A, and my topic is the figure of speech. The rest of this figure of speech is delivered already by my classmates. Only a few were left for me. So the first one is synod object. Synod object is the figure of speech in which one part of the whole object or something is named but meant by the whole object. For example, if I'm saying Mike has got the wheels, in this Mike, wheels means car or bicycle or something that have wheels. But in this sentence, we are using the Mike had got wheels means has Mike has on it's any wheel or something transportation. So we are using the word only wheel, but we means that Mike has got any transportation or not. So in this sentence, the only one part which is wheel is named, but the whole meaning is any transportation he had. For example, some of the examples of synod object is Pakistan beat India at cricket. It doesn't mean Pakistan is beating India. It's mean there's a game and Pakistan is winning from India. Another is a transferred epithet. The second figure of speech is transfer epithet. Transfer epithet is the transfer of adjective to noun. Something like we are using sentence or we suddenly switch person to a sentence. For example, if I'm saying I had a wonderful day, it doesn't mean the day is wonderful by itself or the day is wonderful. It's mean that I had a wonderful day. So the wonderful in this sentence is epithet. I'm using the epithet in this sentence that is wonderful, and for using me. So I said I switch the adjective to the noun. So some of the examples are I had a restless day. The restless day means the day it's not restless or something. I had the restless day. So the third figure of speech is euphemism. Euphemism is a word or expression used in the alternative harsher. For example, we are using the situation in which the word is very harsher, but we use some pleasant word to cover it. So, for example, let's suppose someone is saying, I'm taking an early retirement instead of saying I got fired. If someone is fired, so I'm using that, okay, he's taking early retirement. So in for the word he got fired, I'm using retirement because the word fired is harsher and the word retirement is pretty pleasant. And the second example is his grandfather passed away instead of dying. I'm using departure, died. Instead of this, I'm using passed away. Passed away is pleasant as used as died or something else. The third figure of speech is irony or sarcasm. Sarcasm is ironic remark by humor. Mainly, people use it to say the opposite of whole term to make someone look or feel foolish or to poke someone. For example, if we are sarcastic is the way to poke someone uh, or to feel someone foolish, like if I'm saying the daughter of doctor is illiterate, is the sarcastic way to insult someone. And for example, another example is the son of cobbler has no shoes. So the another figure of speech is pun. A pun is consist and the use of the word is such as the way that is capable of more than one application. The object being to produce ludicrous effect. For example, that I'm using he's an honest man who lies abroad for the prosperity of his country. I'm just underline the way honest just the sake of his country for the prosperity of his country. But that's all, sir. The rest is already delivered by my classmates.
Okay, Beta, well done. You did a good job. Your introduction was good, and the content will be shared one by one physical speech. That was excellent. Even though you also gave examples, and the examples were quite similar to a daily life. That's why those examples made your presentation more easier, and they made it more impressive and attractive. And well done, Beta. You did an excellent job. Well done. Beta,
Thank
you're
you,
from
sir.
section A or section B?
Section A.
Okay, you're from section A, 12th page, right?
Yes.
Okay, beta. Well done, Aksha.
Thank you, sir.
Now you all are ready to go, beta.
Classes, sir.
You may leave the session now. आप लोग अब सेशन को डिलीट कर दें. I'm going to end it. अल्लाह हाफिज बेटा, खुदा हाफिज, बाय.